Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can create a video on Google Gemini. In fact, this is Google Omni, okay, a video creation or multimodal creation generative AI tool. Okay, see here, I got a 10 clip video where two cheetahs are running. This all happened just with a single prompt. How you can do this? Open the browser and browse through Google, and here search for Google Omni. Okay, so click on this labs URL because this could be still in the beta testing phase. Introducing Gemini Omni Flash. Okay, click on the new project here. Before going further, I just want to ask you something, that if it is informative, this video, just give a like for this video. That would be a great help and support from you. Okay, now I'll be creating a small image. First of all, as I said earlier, this is multimodal generative AI. You can create images and videos also. Okay, this Google Gemini Omni. So I gave a small prompt like create and cheetah running in the deep thick forest. So let us see what it will give us. So once I receive this image, I'll be animating this into a video. See, it gave me two variations. I can crop, I can draw, I can use these tools, and I can even furthermore modify this image. And now what I'm saying is just change this image to a little bit, means slight modifications, add some rain effect to this image. So once I receive this, I'll try to animate this image into video, or you can directly ask Gemini Omni to create a video also. Just for the tutorial purpose, I'm creating first the image, then the video. You can click on the three dots on the image and click on animate, so that you can give a prompt now and ask the AI to create a video from this image. Create a endless running video from this scene or from this image. So I want a 10 seconds clip, so I selected that. Okay, first of all you need credits. Okay, for now, for free of version only, I can create this video. If you want to create more videos, you need AI credits. So it gave me two versions of the videos. Whichever I want, I can take. Even I can download this to my computer also. I can publish directly this video to the YouTube also. And I'm again giving a prompt like add another cheetah to the scene and create a running competition sort of video. So now let us check how it will deliver the video. This is another video. Okay, so it has given me entirely new world, but I need to give the precise prompts. Okay, for the prompt which I have given, there is a 10 seconds clip which is really awesome, and there is voiceover and music also. I can click on the download here and I can play it on my computer. So this is downloaded. This is downloaded version which I am playing in media player of my computer. Okay, so one more thing you can do, you can actually click on the three dots of the video and add it to the scene. Why is it useful? Because I have two clips now. I can make them two clips into one single clip, so that I can generate a long length video. That is possible here with this tool. I can click on the scenes here. Sorry, where are the videos? These are the videos, right? I can click on three dots. I can click on add to scene, then create scene. Click on the create scene, so that this video gets added to the scene. Where is this? Yeah, you added this video to your scene. Okay, switch to the scene builder. So this is the scene builder. The scene which I added will be added here. I can add more scenes here, more scenes in the sense more clips of videos. So this is being added, and right beside this video there is a plus symbol. Click on that, click on add a clip, and I have one more video already generated, so I'm adding that one also. So these both will combinedly created as a single long video. Now my total video is 15 seconds. I can download this, okay, the entire full length video to my computer also. Yeah, here you can add some more edits by giving the prompt like add a cinematic editing effects for these clips. So this AI only will add some editing effects just like a professional editor. Here the AI itself will do that work for you. Let us check how it is handling the editor work also. So I asked for cinematic edits. Let us check. It is processing 12%, 13%. Any prompt you can give, that is absolutely up to your creativity level. If you feel this video is informative, please do hit a like and share it to your friends and family. Okay, the edit is ready. Let us play this. Okay. It is playing from the start. There are no edits added on this clip. Okay, on this clip it was added. Okay, still it is processing. Yeah, if you can observe, there are some edits for the second clip. So AI thought I asked only for second clip. So let me click on this download symbol, click on this download so that it gets download to my laptop. So I'll refresh this page once. Okay, now I'll try to download this entire clip, means these two clips as the single video. Then I'll be playing it and showing you on my laptop media player also. Okay, now it is downloading, exporting the total video. Go to the downloads, and yeah, it is playing in the media player with the cinematic edits also. In this way you can create video.